Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to know how to use adjectives. Actually, there are three degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degrees. You can see on the screen, for example, good is positive degree, better is comparative, and best is the superlative degree. You can see many examples over here: bad, worse, worst. So today we are going to know when to use these adjectives, these degrees of adjectives. Okay. So we use positive degree to talk about one person, one thing. If we talk about two things, two, we are comparing between two things, making comparison between two things. We use comparative degree. Okay, and superlative is used to talk about one thing among many, more than two. If we talk about three things, four things, and many things, and one thing is on higher position, is of most importance, we use superlative degree to talk about that thing. Okay, so we use positive degree to talk about one thing, we use comparative to talk about two things, and superlative to talk about many things. Let's have a look at some examples. My school is good. I'm talking about my school. This is good. GPS is better than APS. GPS is a school and APS is another school. I'm talking about two schools, GPS and APS. So GPS is better than APS. Here comparative degree better has been used. Okay. And one more word, than, is used with better, with comparative degree. GPS is the best in Rampur. Rampur is place, and there are many schools in Rampur. So I'm talking about GPS, which is best. So GPS is the best in Rampur. Here the article is used before the superlative degree. Okay, and there are some other examples. You can translate them using these degrees. Okay, for example, आकाश स्कूल में सबसे अधिक होशियार है. सबसे अधिक, here I'm talking about many students. Among them, Akash is the most intelligent. So here we would translate as Akash is the most intelligent student in the school. Okay, सृष्टि मीना से अधिक होशियार है. I'm talking about two girls, Srishti and Meena, and one is more intelligent than the other. So I'm saying Srishti is more intelligent than Meena. Here I'm making comparison between Srishti and Meena. Okay. And Jaya होशियार है. I'm talking about one girl, Jaya. So positive degree would be used. Jaya होशियार है. Jaya is intelligent. Okay. So you can use other adjectives: happy, tall, big, small, thin, pretty, beautiful in their comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, so don't forget to use than after comparative degree and the before superlative degree. Okay, that must be used. Okay, if you don't use them, the sentence would be incorrect. Okay, and if you like the video, please share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.